like to live out here in this world, man. If you don't do it right now, then when you gonna do it? If you don't do it for nobody else, make sure you do it for yourself.
If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. In today's video, I got a couple clips of me riding around, beating down the town, headed from work, and all type of shit, man. I'm playing all type of music on that motherfucker. And I want y'all to see how the Joker sound now that the subs are pretty much broke in and everything pretty much doing what it's supposed to do for the setup that it is now, man. So if y'all haven't, and this your first time coming checking the channel out, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell and all that good stuff, man. Y'all can help grow and join the family. Y'all know we chasing that 20,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year, man. We done made it to 15K. We need 5 more K, bro, before the end of the year, man. That's my goal. 20,000 subs on this channel before the end of the year. And I got plenty content on the way. Plenty. Like plenty. But y'all know when I go cold turkey, I be working and all that other shit, man. Like, I be grinding, bro. Real talk. Like, if I go cold turkey on YouTube, just know I'm out on that goddamn road, bro. I'm making shit happen. And also, if y'all don't, follow me on TikTok, man, because I got a totally different type of content over there that's centered around car audio that I think y'all will really enjoy, man. So follow me over there on TikTok as well, man. I'm trying to get 10,000 subs on TikTok, man. I think we almost at like 3K over there. I'm trying to get 10K over there, bro. But without further ado, we getting straight to the action, man. Nothing but strictly bass action, bro. No talking, no nothing. Bass. Let's get it.
clean up in the club. What I wanna do is sunny outside. I'ma call my crew. Fresh it up, play it around. I'ma go to the club. Go to the club. I'ma go to the club. I feel real good right now. Take up my remix. Show me the track, so I gotta be here. Pull up to the max, so I gotta be fit. So I gotta be rich. I'm so cold, I gotta be sick. Focus on him, so I gotta be legit. Chick look like Tony Paxton. I flow beyond day like Joe Puerto Rico, like Beyonce. Range Rover, I take steady in the club, say what's up, be it all. I'm tryna say tall, we both say low. The sun outside, I'm pulling to the floor, yellow Joe. What I wanna do is sunny outside. I'ma call my crew. Fresh it up, play it around. I'ma go to the club. Go to the club. I'ma go to the club. Exterior keep the major flow. It's here, let me go.
Capris and heaven Chevys with TVs. To be so sweet, it's just a show to me. They get it right when you twist it. It has no competition. Not to mention the high performance motor the Benny. The major beat, you gon' hear it from like 2 blocks away. Like a waking up, so making the beat so you can play. It don't matter who from the top shop. We get the F and represent and let these haters know we.
She keeps talking. Tell me something. I keep smiling. I'm sorry, now my man, I'm serving. Fresh piece we keep serving. Got that driving the end on the curb. Let's think of that. Tell me something pressure.
All right, guys. So get down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think, man. These subwoofers ain't even $200 a piece, bro. I got them on one Jp23 Class D Korean board amp. And I got two of the down for sale LTO batteries. No goddamn alternator, no dual runs, no nothing. My only electrical upgrade is the down for sound LTO batteries. My only upgrade. Get in the comment section and let me know what y'all think, man. I got a JS alternator, 370 amp JS alternator on the way. And that 370 amp alternator may wake that goddamn JP23 up. And if I was to add one more JP23, even though I got two of the high ankle 1500 watt amps, man, look, that little setup in its current form is nasty. Like, it's impressive as hell for what it is in its current form. And keep in mind, guys, it get greater later. It get greater later. The world wasn't built in one day. It wasn't. So y'all got to just imagine what y'all just seen times 5 or 10. Cause I'm planning on putting no less than 8 to 15K or something like that on it. With bigger subs, better lithium, dual alternators, all that shit, y'all. What y'all just seen is just the beginning of this shit, bro. What I keep showing y'all is just the beginning. And this video really goes to show you it ain't what you run, but how you run it. And I'm gonna repeat that. It ain't what you run, but how you run it. This your boy BassAddict checking out with another one, man. We are
This is a dangerous group. Groups that we're dealing with